Hello everyone, so today is 7th of May and this video is going to be very special. Why? Because I'm not only going to discuss the performance of the HFT algo scanner, but also I'm going to show you that how it's beneficial for the traders, okay? So especially many people come and say that you are only following the big institutions when they are writing, okay? So will it help the buyers? Okay, so if it helps the buyers, obviously there is a high probability that it will help the writers as well. So especially like many retailers are buyers, so they buy puts or calls. So let's discuss. Keeping a viewpoint of them. So again, we only follow the light green, that is the put writing, and the light red, which is the call writing. Okay. So if there is like a light green, heavy put writing is going on, so that means we will buy calls. Okay. So again, no recommendation or any to buy, hold, or sell. So it's all based on data points and analysis. And yes, and also if we see huge call writing, then we will buy puts. Okay, so as simple as that. Now let's zoom out. Okay, so let's zoom out a little bit, and now let's come here. That is, where do you see, like, okay, so mostly like Nifty was hovering over 24,400. So I have like HFT algo scanner on 24,400 as the ATM, 24,300 and 450. So let's discuss the others. Let's zoom in on 400. Okay, so now where do you see like big activities happen, like the light green and the light red? So the light green here, right? And then the light green here as well, light red here, and again light green here, and yes, and some light red here as well, and again light green here, especially this one. This is a big one, okay? And again here big light green, and again here big light red, okay? So as well as here also another big light red. So let's go one by one and check those, okay? So now let's come here. Okay, so let's go here. So again, as you can see here, that is these are deep red, starting like 9:15 a.m. and 9:16 a.m. So we don't go with them, so those are put buying. And yes, we go with the writing. Okay, so I have explained why we go, because if you have 10 cr, so you can write with 5 cr, 6 cr, 7 cr, even 10 cr, but you won't ever buy 5 cr of options. Okay, so like usually not. Okay, so that's why like big institutions having 500 cr, like 1000 cr they are trading. So like the Jane Street hedge fund, so like they mostly write, so that's why we follow the writing positions. Now let's come here. So this is 931. As you can see, what is the amount of put writing? I'm not talking about the deep green, okay? Only this part, that is the light green. So the light green amount, you can very well see it's 52.9 cr. So 53 cr, okay? So 53 cr, let's look at the time, 9:31 am. Okay, so we got the signal 9:31. So obviously it will take me 1 minute to buy. So let's go to the, so I have opened here 24,300 call and 24,400 put, okay? So let's go and look at 24,300 call. So the time is 9:31, okay? So 9:31. So today is Wednesday. So here, let's come here. So as you can see, this is 9:30 and this is 9:31, okay? So 9:31, the price is almost at 170, okay? Though the move looks small, so just see, it went up to 200 and more than 200. So 30 points. Okay, so 30 points is a big deal for the option buyers, okay, and that too like capture with a high probability. So though this move, people would say that this move looks small. So again, it's not that small, okay. And again, these are deep red. This is one of the call writing amount, but again, it's not huge, but it's still like 23 cr. It's a good amount. So again, if you go and check 9:44, so call writing happened, and also we got the sell signal here especially. So 9:44. Okay, so let's go and check the put side. So here you can see 9:40. Yeah, so this is 9:44 happened, 9:45 is this, okay? So 9:45, it's almost at around 93 to 94 rupees, okay? The 24,400 put. And I can, for if I want to sell my indicator, I can show you it went up to 139, but let's look at where it straight up went up to, like within a few minutes. Okay, so this is again 9:45. It's at 91 to 92 or 93, and it straight away went up to 116, and that too happened in 1, 2, 3, and 4 minutes. Okay, so within 4 minutes, you are getting a very nice return, like I mean almost 90 to let's say 115. So it's like a, I mean it's a very good move. Okay, so anyways, I mean it's 25 points move. So again, let's go one by one again. So here we saw the big one. Okay, again this is a big one because right here 45.8, this is 38 cr. So it's a very good put writing that happened here. So time is 9:53. So again now we should buy calls. So 9:53. Let's look at the 23, 24 300 call. So 24. I think sorry, the time was 9:53. So 9:53. Yeah. So this is the call one, 9:53. Here 9:53. Okay, so it takes one more minute to take the trade. So 9:54, the price is at 106. Okay, 105 to 106. It straight away within 1 2 3 minutes it went to 130. Okay, so that is the beauty, I mean that is the beauty of this indicator, guys. So again, let's look at here, that is this one. Okay, so this one even I showed it to you on X as well, and told you that market should show some recovery. So again let's look at there as well. So what's the time there? So that was also good amount, 22 cr. Okay, of put writing. So time is 10:15, and even here as well as the buy signal came in here, again further put writing happened, 10 cr. Okay, so let's look at here, that is 10:15. So 10:15, so we will be buying calls. So again 10:15 is almost here, 10:19. So 10:15 and then 10:16. Okay, so 1 minute for the trade. So 84. Okay, so from 84 it went to 78. Okay, and then look at that, like it pumped up to 117. So again here as well it worked beautifully. Now again we should so this was a significant one. Okay, a big position, right? So again 23 cr, and let's again look at the time. So 11:06. So 11:06 we should buy calls. So again there is no recommendation. So 11:06, this is here 11:02 6, 11:06, like again the price is almost at 95. So it went down to 90, and then look at the pump. Just look at the pump, like I mean beautiful, like it went up to 155, but again like all the way from 95 to 155. So it's like 55 plus 5, 60 points. So 60 points move. Okay, so 60 points, out of that I'm not telling you that you can practically catch all those 60 points. So let's say half of the points, 30 points, let's say even forget about 30 points, let's say 15 points. Okay, so it's doable, right? So I mean let's look at the straight move. Okay, so let's look at the straight move. So 11:06 here, then after that two red candles, not that much. So again, like starting from here 11:12, so the green started 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it all the way went up to straight 130. Okay, so you then see the red candle and you close, I mean as you are afraid of losing what you have won. So anyways, you got my point. So again let's see again, let's go with the major positions. Okay, so again this was a big call writing. So again not a huge one, but still like 13.9, 14 cr of call writing happened here. And let's look at again, you would say that these are the also put writings. Yeah, 13 cr, 11 cr of put writing also happened. And yes, so again we got the sell signal even here as well. And so then what happened? So again you can go and check out in your chart. So I mean I mean that was a very good move. So again let's see, let's look at here, that this is a significant one, like this is all put writing is happening. especially like here 24.6 CR. And let's look at the time, 12:07. So 12:07. So this is 12:0567. So 12:07, the price is almost at 96. Okay, and then after that you can see like straight away, like within the next candle, sorry, yeah, sorry, 12, sorry, this is 12:07. So 12, yeah, so this is 12:07. So the prices are 94. The next two candles itself took it to 107. Okay, so from 94 to 107, and finally like this move was there, like it went up to like 120. But again, I absolutely agree that you won't be like staying here, so you will be closing there. So let's just look at the next 2 minutes itself. Okay, so that tells you a lot. Okay, and for the scalpers, it's like a heaven. Okay, and again, so here there were put writers present, and again here a big chunk of put writing happened. So this is where I was also trading, like here if you see, that is I was also scalping. So even here 133, after that like I also like went with call buying position. So the thing is, the most important part is, like I have told earlier as well, I scalp. So again here, let's look at 1333. Okay, so 1333, if you look at here, that is okay, big, what is the amount? 39 CR of put trading. It's a good amount. Okay, so again we should buy calls. So 1333, so let's look at again 1333. So 13 44 1333. Okay, 1333, the price is at 90. Okay, so 90, it was almost consolidating, and finally you see the pump there. Okay, so it went to 135. So again, as it went to 135 here, suddenly like the call writers also came in here. This is also good chunk of call writing here. So if you see, it's 32 CR. So again, let's look at 32 CR. So 1408. So we should buy puts 1408. So let's look at, okay guys, 1408. So this is 1408, and then the next candle, let's say here, so 77. Okay, so almost 77, it went to 72.9, so almost 73. So 4 points down it went, but went up by to 97. Okay, so yes, again the puts also gave a nice, now coming right at the bottom here. Again, right at the bottom here, 28.9, 29 CR. This is 22 CR. So again, more than 50 CR of put writing happened here. Let's look at the time, 1425. So we should buy calls. So 1425. Wait. Yeah. So yeah, 1425 is here, 26, 25 is here, so 97. Okay, so then after that you see straight away green candles. Okay, so this is the power of the HFT algo scanner to catch the big guys, like the Jane Street or whatever you say. It's catching the big HFT firms which are putting so huge money, and right after they take position, such move comes. So 97 to straight up to 125. Okay, so that's the beauty. Again, going up here as well. So we were like, even in the group as well, I posted that we were also there. So here 237, as you can see, call writers, now call writers. So after that pump came in, again right at the top, call writers got active. So again, call writers got active here. Let's look at 27 CR, 28 CR. So almost the time is 1435. We should buy puts. So again, you would notice that not much move, you would say, right? But let's look at the premium. So that is how the big guys even makes fulls out of the retail traders. So again, the time is 1435. So we should buy puts because of huge call writing. So 1432. So this is 35. Okay, so the price is almost at 75. Okay, and after that, like again the price was almost there, 75, and from there itself, in the next 3 candles itself, it went to 84. Okay, so further it went up to like 87 or something. But like you can very well understand that now even like such a move like from let's say 74 to or 75 to 84 or 74 to 84, 10 points move. So 10 divided by 74, so it's like, I mean, it's a huge return, like I mean 15% or more than 15% return. So the thing is that yes, so you don't actually like put all your money into one go, so that's not fair. But yes, you take like I mean so as per your risk management you take the quantities, but this is what the move like you can capture with the HFT. Okay, so that's what the main point is. So again, the rest is up to your and after 3 p.m. what happened, so let's see. So this is also 14:51. So here right after 3 p.m. so both the put writers and call writers, they were present. Okay, so usually I say that after 3 p.m. don't go because like of the decay. So that's why like and also like call writers and put writers both were present, and you see and you can very well see that after 3 p.m. The straddle that fell. Okay, so anyways like that's how it's ending. And also right at the end, mostly like both are present, also the call writers as well as the put writers both are present. Okay, so yes, that's it for this video. And for those who follow me on X, and for them also, like I posted this in the morning, that is when market was almost near to 24,300. So I posted that Nifty should recover here. Okay, so you can go and check the time and check the charts. And yes, and when everyone was expecting bearishness, we like said that market will take support. So I hope the overall analysis was good enough for you all, and I hope you understood how powerful the HFT algo scanner is. And yeah, so if you want the indicator, so you just have to go to my website and subscribe for it. So again, if you are subscribing today, so like your membership starts from the next trading session, that is tomorrow. And so whichever plan suits you, you can go for it. So you have to just I mean get started, add to cart and check out, and make the payment. And as soon as you've done, I'll add you. And so why like your membership count starts from tomorrow, because the main thing is that you get the advantage to read the charts, read the HFT algo scanner, and so on the charts, and see how it performed like on your charts and so on. And yeah, so that like you can start fresh tomorrow. And yeah, so that's it for this video. And again, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.